Hi, today we are seeing in this video the one stock is giving that during 1 year period is 1960% returns giving. The stock name is the Baroda Extrusion. Baroda Extrusion, this business sector is the machinery, like machinery equipments for this business sector, and this stock is giving for the in 1 year during period 1960% returns giving. That stock and that stock in 1 year before that share price is the 37 paisa. Your 13 0.37 paisa you are buying for the 30,000 shares. It becomes for the your investment is the 11,100 rupees. You were invested in 11,100 rupees in 1 year before on the stock Baroda Extrusion stocks. Now present share price Baroda Extrusion stock is the 7 rupees 21 paisa. 7 rupees 21 paisa to you are multiplying for the 30,000 shares. It becomes for the 2,16,300 rupees. Imagine you are just invested in the 11,100 rupees. It becomes for the now 1 year after is the 2,16,300 rupees. It almost for the almost for the giving 19% is no 19 times returns giving, and your money is compounding in during 1 year period is the 19 times is compounding in for the in 1 year during period. Just 1 year during period to your money is compounding 19 times on Baroda Extrusion stocks. You are holding for the stocks in 5 to 10 years. You are getting for the big returns. So this is the power of the strategy. Everyone also, I think, in my opinion, every person also making rich in make rich because they have to patience. They don't have patience. That's why people are not rich. Every people are because they are invested in the stock markets, because stock market is the every day is increasing 1% 2% is increasing for the increasing or decreasing, but almost is 100% is almost 100% is returns giving definitely, because this way to you have to utilizing for that invest on the stocks, because stocks are the assets. Like assets, we are buying for you are buying for the land. We are you are buying for the land, and you are just and you are you are buying for the land in 6 lakhs. We are buying for the one land, and then then 1 year after you are then 1 year after you are selling the same land, it becomes for the your amount is, if the principal amount is increased, because the time you are holding 1 year time is you are holding for that, you are not selling that 1 year is developing for another in nearby other locations also. So that's why increasing here also, increasing for the land value. So same thing also in the stock market also. Every day 1% 2% is increasing. These thing is in the 1 year after, in 1 year before that share prices, then after 1 year after the share price is also increasing, because business is developing, the share price also increasing. So that is the thing, and so try to invest in the share market and get big returns, because so many people getting for them the big returns, like Rakesh Junjwala or Ramesh Damani and Warren Buffett. These are people making for the more money in the stock market. Their main source of money in the stock market. So that's why you also invest in the stock market and get big returns, and you also lead for the, you also farm or well, you also lead for the wealthy life, and you also lead for the rich life in your future, and try to invest in the stock market. These and create one way of another income, create one way of income, in the stock market. And this is the power of the stock market. Try to hold for the 5 to 10 years of the stocks, and try to invest in the small proportion of invest on monthly, or some of the basis you have, when you have money, when you have getting for the small money, so then invest on the small proportion of money, and try to research for the stocks, which stocks are better, and research for the for scene 5 year before, or 5 year before, 5 year 1 year before, how is the stock is performing, and what is the market capitalization of the stock market, the shares and stocks, and you have to see for, and how and return on equity or earning per share, and you have to analyze for, and what is the book value, what are the market capitalization of the market capitalization. You have to see, and you have to research for everything, and then invest money, because without loss, without research, and without analyzing that, you don't invest for the money, because today's earning of money is very difficult. That's why don't lose for money. Research and learn of the stock market, and read so many books of books are available in the online, and you also buy for books and then read. And so many of tutorials are also available in YouTube, and see that YouTube, Ramesh Tamini, Rakesh Junjwala, Warren Buffett, they are also talking in YouTube. So they have see their videos, and then learn about the things, tricks, learn about tricks about the stock market, and then invest. Okay, without research, without analyzing. Don't invest money, because you are not, when you are losing the money, so that's why don't lose money. Because earning of money is very difficult, so that's why I told. In front of videos also, more returns giving stocks about videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel. Thank you for watching this video.